you are using the conditions in the master page, be careful what you write, because it will be reflected throughout all the pages. So when you are restricting something, check the code and the conditions again and again. So now it's time to set a theme. So how we can change our primary and secondary color. So we have already declared our theme provider. So this theme provider is applied to all the pages, but we have not applied any themes. So we'll be creating a theme here, like right click, new file, theme.js. So we have created a theme.js here. So inside the theme.js, we will we'll override the theme data of the material UI. So what we'll write here is, first we'll create a MUI theme, which is import from so I have to type import create MUI theme key capital, I guess, theme, let's see, from material UI core class styles. So create MUI theme will create a theme. Then you can import the colors from here, like with importing. Suppose we need a blue color, so purple. Blue is default. We'll change to purple, and orange from material core colors. So we have imported two colors. So what we'll do now, we'll create a MUI theme. So how to create? Const theme equals to create MUI theme. Inside that, first thing we need to know that all the color related data resides inside the palette. So we'll write here palette. Inside the curly braces, we'll write which color we want to override. First we'll override the primary color. Inside the primary color, we'll write main. Then we'll add here which color will we want to add here. Purple. You can directly write purple, or you can use a purple shade, which will be using a secondary color. So we'll add here secondary. Secondary will add again main. Then we'll add here orange dot a 400. So we can add a 100 to a 100, 200, 400, and 700. These are different sets. So we are using a 400 set. Then we can add a background here, background color. So again, inside that inside here we'll add default. In default, we'll add EEE. This is a light gray color. So I saved this. Then again, we have to export default theme. We have to export the theme we have created now. So first we have created the primary color, secondary color, and the background color. So we will write here inside this theme equals to theme dot ssc theme. So we have set the theme. I think it will change internal server error. Wow. Wow. Oh, okay. So we can use green directly here, purple directly here. So now to see. Okay, compiled successfully. So see, we have applied a color here, and our uh, secondary color is converted to orange, and the background is not white now. It's a little grayish color. So when you go to login, actually seal it. You can seal it. So inside the login, shit, man. So inside the register page, see the background is here. You go to okay. So color, color palette. So you can go to, you can choose any theme. So let's choose this theme. So I can directly add this color here. So purple, and this will be this. And I will change the secondary color to this thing. So now I have changed our theme color. See, now the color is being changed inside the dashboard. See, okay. So our colors are changed now. So we can create this theme even more. Like we can set the text color, we can set the error colors, we can select, we can change everything. So what the thing is now, how to change the theme. We got it. So if you want to explore it, you can go to materialway.com and explore the theme, what are available inside the theme. So everything that is available inside the theme object, we can override it as per our choice. We can change the h1 size, h2 size, h3 size, body 1 body 2 sizes. We can even change the corner, जो elevations, default elevations. So now we'll go towards API call. So now this is all clear to everyone that how to create a master page and how to do dark mode. Okay. That will use something. Have added the agenda.
लेट्स डू वन थिंग। अभी तो पूरा टाइम बहुत निकल गया है, तो बेटर होगा कि आज ही पूरा थीमिंग के ऊपर और कैसे कैसे क्या क्या चीजें हैं, 2-3 चीजें और नई चीजें सीख ले। बेटर होगा कल ही एपी कॉल करें, अभी तो खत्म नहीं हो पाएगा, बेकार में आधे में रहेंगे। तो बेटर होगा कि आज ही जो जो भी थीमिंग के बारे में है और कुछ डिटेल्स अभी कर दे।
So we'll go materialway.com. So we'll inspect here. After inspecting, go to console, and here this is the developer console. You can access the documentation theme object directly in the console. So what we'll do, we'll first clear it, then we'll type theme. So when you type theme, you will get all the elements that you can override inside the theme. That here is your, you can add your spacing here. So inside the spacing, you can use the length. Inside the typography, you can change the h1 H1. Inside the H1, you have font family. You have the font family here. So you can add your custom font family in the theme in H1. So your H1 will look in a different form. Anyone was asking previously that how can we set custom font in our typography? So you can create your custom font. You can set it directly to the typography. So you can set it directly to the typography. If you set directly to the typography, it will set it in all the headings, all the elements of the typography like H1, H2, H3, H4, and our line caption, everyone. But if you want specifically, like your H1 will be of a font and your body will be of another font, then you can make it. Can you repeat the answer of this question again? Which answer? Sarada Mahanti. Can you unmute Sarada Mahanti, please?
हेलो मोहित रो क्वेश्चन जो पचारथिला सेतल सुभा गलानी ऑडिबल हेलानी
आंसर दे ही नहीं सका. So how to add dark mode? Okay. So now I will just show you.
Okay. So data हिंसा गोटे होची डार्क मोड केमते हो और एनी पेज गोटे अलग पेज रे केमते हम थीम चेंज करबो चाहिए चारि पांचटा कलर थिबो हम चेंज करबो चाहछे अलग पेज रे थिबो कोन से पेज रे हम थीम चेंज करबो चाहछे एटा करिवो.
Okay. So we can change the theme to dark. Okay. So what to do now? See. Create a theme, inside it palette type dark. So if I set palette type equal to dark, so what will happen? See, but as I have override the color, so it will not change now. So if I set the theme to dark, I can't set these things. Otherwise, it will change the design. Sorry. So there are more things to do. But